In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync OneNote to a new laptop. This process is essential for ensuring that all your notes and notebooks are accessible on your new device. It will help you keep your information organized and readily available wherever you go. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to install and open OneNote on your new laptop. This is a straightforward task. You can download OneNote from the Microsoft Store or the official Microsoft website. Once installed, locate the OneNote icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click to open it. As the program launches, you will see a welcoming screen that indicates it's ready for your input. Opening the application is crucial because it sets the stage for syncing your notebooks, ensuring you can access all your important notes right away. Next, you need to sign in with the same Microsoft account that you use on your old laptop. Look for the sign-in prompt that appears when you first open OneNote. Enter your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. This step is vital because using the same account links your notes from both devices. Once signed in, you should see your notebooks listed, confirming that the sync process can begin. This reassurance is important as it means you are set up correctly for the next steps. Once you are signed in, click on File, then Open, and select the notebooks you want to use. This action allows you to choose which specific notebooks you want to access on your new laptop. A list of your available notebooks will appear, and you can click on each one to open it. This is significant because not all notebooks may be needed at once, allowing you to customize your workspace. By selecting only the notebooks you need, you can maintain a clean and organized interface, which can enhance your productivity. Now wait for OneNote to download and sync your notes from OneDrive. You will see progress indicators as OneNote pulls your data from the cloud. Depending on the size of your notebooks and your internet speed, this may take a little time. It's essential to be patient during this step, as syncing ensures that you have the latest versions of all your notes. This process guarantees that no information is lost in transition, reinforcing the reliability of your data storage on OneDrive. If your notebooks are stored only on your old laptop and are not syncing yet, you will need to take a few additional steps. Open OneNote on the old laptop and navigate to File, then Share. This is where you will prepare your notebooks for cloud storage so they can be accessed from your new device. Selecting OneDrive as the location is important as it facilitates cloud storage, making your notebooks available anytime, anywhere. Next, click Move Notebook to upload it to the cloud. Microsoft recommends moving notebooks through OneNote itself rather than dragging notebook files into OneDrive. This method is crucial because it prevents sync errors that can occur when files are manually moved. By using the built-in features, you ensure that all information is transferred correctly and securely. If the notebooks do not appear on the new laptop, check that both devices are signed in with the same Microsoft account. This is a quick but essential troubleshooting step. If the accounts do not match, your notebooks will not sync. This verification can save you time and frustration, ensuring that you have access to everything you need. Manually sync by going to File, then Info, then View Sync Status, and select Sync All. This action forces OneNote to update and sync your notebooks immediately. Sometimes automatic syncing may not work as expected, so this manual method ensures that all your notes are up to date. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain your workflow without unnecessary delays. Finally, make sure you have an internet connection and enough OneDrive storage space. This is critical because syncing cannot occur without a stable internet connection. Additionally, if your OneDrive is full, new files cannot be uploaded. Checking these details will help prevent sync errors and ensure that your notes are always available when you need them. Important: Microsoft warns against copying files directly into OneDrive using File Explorer because this can cause sync errors. Always use OneNote's built-in Share or Move Notebook feature instead. This practice will keep your notebooks organized and free from issues that may hinder your productivity in the future.